Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at our competition brewing set. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. Used by tea industry professionals around the world, competition brewing sets offer a compact and straightforward way to prepare loose leaf tea with great results. In the tea industry, competition brewing sets are used for judging a tea's quality since they streamline the brewing process and offer a standardized volume. However, these same benefits also make them great for personal tea drinking, and we love to bring our own competition sets with us when we source tea. A competition brewing set includes two components, a brewing cup with a lid and a drinking bowl. You simply add your loose tea leaves directly to the brewing cup, infused with hot water, then decant directly into the drinking bowl to enjoy. With premium tea, you can repeat this process for multiple infusions. With its small 4-ounce volume and the ability to decant the brewed tea off the leaves, competition sets provide the same results as a full gongfu tea set, but in a much smaller package. This makes them ideal as a personal tea set for brewing any whole leaf tea. Our competition brewing set is available on its own or as part of our essential collection, which also includes a range of tea samples to explore. To learn more about our range of teaware, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.